Open Gemini by visiting gemini.google.com on your browser. To get started, you can upload a document, such as a text file about coffee or a business report, that you want to transform into slides. In the prompt box, simply type an instruction like "Generate a presentation from this document" or "Create professional slides about this topic." To ensure the best results, click on the Tools option under the text field and enable Canvas mode. This triggers Gemini's native presentation generator rather than just a simple text summary. Within a couple of minutes, Gemini will design a full deck, usually over 10 slides, complete with relevant images gathered from the web and a clean, digestible layout. Now, if you're on Android or iPhone, you can view and share these generated presentations directly through the Gemini app. You can swipe through the slides to review the content on the go, or send a shareable link to your colleagues. Same result for quick productivity, just a mobile-optimized way to manage your slides. On your PC, you can further customize the look by specifying color themes or a particular angle in your prompt. Once you're satisfied, click the Download button to save the presentation as a PDF. Alternatively, click Export to Slides to open the project in Google Slides. From there, you can perform final edits or go to File, Download to save it as a PowerPoint PPTX file for full compatibility with other software. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.